Where to find Shopify error logs. Shopify does not provide direct access to traditional error logs like cPanel or custom-hosted platforms. However, you can still debug errors using the following tools and methods. One, Shopify Admin Activity Log. Go to Settings, Plan and Permissions. Store Activity shows admin level changes, not app or API errors. 2. Theme Error Logging, Liquid Errors. If there's a Liquid error, go to Online Store, Themes, Actions, Edit Code. Look for error lines, e.g. Liquid Error, Invalid Format. Preview the storefront in Developer Console F12 for JS or rendering errors. 3. Shopify API error logs, developers only. If you're using a Shopify app or API, use tools like Postman or Shopify's Clyde to test requests. Shopify will return HTTP error codes, e.g. 422.500 with JSON error bodies. Example response, JSON errors, email can't be blank. 4. Third-party app logs. If you're using apps, go to the app settings inside apps. Look for activity log or error reports, depends on the app. 5. Browser console for client errors. Use F12 DevTools to check. JavaScript errors, form validation messages, API post GET requests under the Network tab. 6. Webhook error logs advanced. If you use webhooks, go to Settings, Notifications, Webhooks. Check for delivery failures or error logs. SEO